What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the C10 build. Engine base done, painted, cleaned up, everything. We're working on the motor right now. I've been looking for the flywheel that fits this motor because it's a 9960. So the output shaft is a little bit thicker than the other one that barely has anything sticking out. Well, I spent all day looking for it, found it. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys what we're working with. So that's the engine bay, guys. I did use a rubber coating, undercoating for the frame, and then on here, and then I split it right here, right down like a quarter away to the satin black that I did. That's how it looks. Looks pretty decent. Looks new again. Looks nice and clean. Cleaned up all the rust that I could. And this is the engine right here that's gonna go in there. You know, like the colors. It's nice. And then I just painted the transmission black. It's not a new transmission. I just painted it black so it, you know, looked nice. Nobody's gonna ever see it, but yeah, guys, this is just for the content of the video. There you go. So this motor was supposed to go in the Smurf, and I painted it red because you guys know the Smurf is blue and red. And then this didn't work with my flywheel, which is for the stick shift. Didn't work for me to get a special flywheel that works with this. It was like $1,000. I went and bought another motor, put it on it, and that one, obviously, you guys seen it, it's running. This one, because it's going with a 4L80, it's perfect for this transmission and setup. So we're gonna use that motor in there. And yeah, guys, so it's all done. I just basically painted the block, anything that was red on it, I painted it blue. That's why right here, but it don't matter because nobody's gonna see that ever again after we install it. And then this transmission is 4L80. Yeah, guys, I was having issues because it wouldn't marry, but it's married now, so A1. Next footage you're gonna be seeing is hopefully us putting this thing in there. This motor has been a pain, you guys have no idea, but thankfully it's done. Hopefully we're gonna drop it in there, get it running, get this beast going. I do have no bolts here that are broken. On the other side I do have one that's broken. I'm gonna go ahead and fix before this thing goes in there. I do have the adjustable, they're not dirty dingoes, but they're adjustable LS off of Amazon. And yeah, it comes with new hardware and everything. That's cool. It even comes with a bolts for motor mounts. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. This is just a little progress that we've been doing on the truck. There you guys have it. So it's just a little progress that we've been doing on the truck. I haven't been recording, just been trying to smash it all out. But yeah, it's just a little tiny little vlog of what's going on, a little update. Motor, truck, hopefully together soon. And then I will be picking up more recording on the harness that I bought and little things like that. I mean, taking a motor out, putting it in, we've done it a lot on this channel. So now we're gonna be dealing with the harness more. Painting motors and doing all that, we've done it. So you guys want to see something like that, go check out the other videos. For this one, I'm just trying to get through it, you know, I don't want to have repeated content. So this is going to go in there, and then we'll be, you know, going more in depth with the harness, you know, anything that goes in this one. I've never done one of these. I'm learning as I go, so you know what I mean. If you want to learn with me, tune in. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think about the engine bay, how it came out. I think it came out solid. Engine looks pretty solid too. Once it's in there, it's gonna stand out real nice. Even though the blue in the background, because of the silver, I feel it's gonna stand out really nice. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Next one.